Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Welcome back to another video of the KameGarage. In today's episode, we finally got back our E36, our BMW 328iC is finally back with us. And I'm so excited. I drove it home. It was raining, so I couldn't record on the way to pick it up. But we have it back here. Let me show you. As you guys can see, we got a BMW E36 back. Everything, the fitment looks really great. Here's our aftermarket, front fender, the OEM, BMW actual OEM door that we bought from someone else out of eBay. But everything looks great. The fitment, our boys at Woodstock Body Shop and Paint hooked it up, man. This looks great. Everything that I couldn't do with the fender especially, they went ahead and did it. We still need to replace the side skirt, but besides that, everything else should be good. We're not gonna put the molding here yet because we are going to wrap the whole car. The E36 is gonna have a brand new look. Obviously right now it's mismatched and we're gonna ride it like this for a little bit, but it's not gonna stay like this for long. So you guys have to make sure to stay tuned for the new look of our E36. We got a lot of things coming. As you guys see over there, we got a lot of packages, different parts for the E36. So we have a lot of content, a lot of new mods, and a lot of new installs for the E36. I'm excited driving it back. I miss the car, man. I love the Jeep, but the E36, it's my daily. I love it. Let's go ahead and test out all the windows. Let's test out the drop top, make sure everything works. That way we know that the car is at 100% perfect. When I tell you guys that, oh my god, I was so excited when I drove the car back home. I couldn't stop smiling. Man, I miss my daily, man. This is clean. Can you believe they were trying to total loss this clean ass E36? Nah, not on my watch. Look at that, 111,000 miles. Yeah, they're crazy. Let's go ahead and try out the windows. Okay, the window went down, nice. What about the back? It goes down nice. That little sound is just a rubber seal. It was like that prior to the accident, so not a biggie. Automatic. Nice. Let's go ahead and test out the convertible top. Push this up and then press this down. All four windows go down, nice. There. Everything's working as it should. Perfect, got locked. Windows are leveled where they're supposed to be. Compare them to the driver's side, perfect. Everything looks the same. Let's go ahead and bring it back up. All right, let's test this out. All four at the same time. It works. It worked. Yeah. So as you guys can see right here, here are the two window regulators I was telling you about, the clips that go into them. Straight from Germany. Look, BMW group. They ordered them, took them about 4 days to get here. But you know what? They ordered two and they came 4. So we got 2 extra ones, if anything. Also, here's the whole invoice. See, it came out to be $507.45. Shout out again to our boys at Woodstock Quality Paint and Body. Here's the whole address, phone number. Hit them up. Amazing work. And as you guys can see, here's the whole breakdown of the whole service to my car, the hours and everything. Obviously, we provided the parts, and the total amount came out to be, again, $503.94 with tax and everything, $507.45. But finally, guys, after 2 weeks, we finally have the BMW back at home, back in the garage. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm so happy we got the E36 back, and we have a lot of mods to do to it. If anything, hope you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with anybody else that loves E36s. Make sure you stay tuned to find out what happens to the G and the E36 in the next episode of KameGarage. Peace.